This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by confirming the problem. Open the presentation and scan for substituted or missing fonts. Once done, use Home Replace Fonts to list the faulty font names so you know what to install. Make sure you have the correct TTF or OT font files ready. Installing the wrong variant can change spacing. You'll need admin rights to install fonts on many systems, so pause and get permission if prompted before proceeding to install and test one slide. After installing and restarting PowerPoint, you'll standardize fonts so the fix sticks. Open View Slide Master and set your chosen font for title, body, and any custom placeholders. This ensures new slides inherit the correct typeface. Then run Home Replace Fonts to map any lingering font names to your installed font. You do this because local styling overrides can persist. Replacing at the master level prevents manual fixes slide by slide and preserves layout metrics. Finish by saving a copy and embedding fonts so recipients see the same typography. Go to File Options, Save, and enable embedding. Make sure to test on the target platform because Windows and Mac can use different font names or metrics, which affects layout. If things still look off, clear your OS font cache and restart PowerPoint and make sure Office is up to date. These steps fix stale font registrations. Once resolved, reopen the saved copy and confirm every slide renders correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.